Looking for a hassle-free way to get genuine app keys? This website makes it easy to access original keys for your favorite apps, safely and securely. This website makes it easy to access original keys for your favorite apps, safely and securely. It's KeysFan.com, the go-to website for purchasing genuine app keys. If you're in need of authentic software licenses, this is the platform you can trust. On this website, you'll find a wide range of apps available for purchase, offering genuine keys for all your software needs. With KeysFan.com, you no longer have to worry about fake app keys. Everything on this site is genuine and trustworthy. Just click on the link below, then sign up, and you have your keys in minutes. If you're looking for a genuine Windows key, look no further. A quick search on Google will lead you to KeysFan.com, where you can get authentic keys with ease. Let me show you the coolest part of this video. You can actually use coupons to get discounts on Windows keys, making it even more affordable to get genuine software. You can get a massive 50% off on all Windows keys. It's a great deal to save big on genuine software. You can easily grab these exclusive coupon codes right from the description below. Don't miss out. Click the link and start saving on your Windows keys today. Once you add the coupon code, it will automatically apply to your cart. When you click on the home screen, you'll be greeted with an extensive selection of apps available for purchase. With so many options to choose from, finding the right app for your needs has never been easier. It's a seamless experience, allowing you to explore, select, and get started with just a few taps. Enjoy an amazing 50% off on all Windows keys. Simply search for what you need, add it to your cart, and you're just a few clicks away from owning genuine software. Whether you choose to pay with your credit card or PayPal, the process is smooth and hassle-free, making it easier than ever to get the Windows key you need at a great price. You can easily find the coupon code and website link in the video description below. Just click, grab the deal, and start saving on your next purchase. Whether you're upgrading or purchasing keys for Microsoft Office, KeysFan offers a wide range of Microsoft Office products to suit your needs. From the latest Office Professional Plus to the classic version, you'll find options for individual users and multi-PC licenses. Once you've selected your desired product, simply add it to your cart. During checkout, you can apply any available coupon codes to maximize your savings. Payment is straightforward, with options to pay via credit card or PayPal. Now, once you've added your items to the cart, you'll notice that your old coupon code is still available, ready to be applied for even more savings. Now, here's an incredible offer. Get a massive 62% off on Microsoft Office. Simply add it to your cart, apply the discount, and enjoy genuine software at a fraction of the cost. Don't miss this unbeatable deal. Head over to KeysFan.com and grab your Microsoft Office key today. The website's user-friendly interface allows you to browse categories, compare products, and make informed decisions. With secure payment options and prompt delivery, shopping at KeysFan.com is both convenient and reliable. Whether you're seeking productivity tools like Microsoft Office, system utilities such as IOBit Driver Booster, or security solutions like AdGuard, KeysFan.com offers a comprehensive catalog to meet your needs. On this page, you'll find some of the best discounts available, with incredible sales tailored just for Windows users. Don't miss out on these exclusive offers, the perfect opportunity to save big on top-rated products. Explore now and take advantage of the unbeatable deals waiting for you. Not only are there amazing discounts, but we also offer wholesale keys at unbeatable prices. If you're representing a company, this is the perfect opportunity to grab the best deals in bulk. Don't let this chance slip by. Take advantage of exclusive company discounts today. Thanks for watching my video on how to get genuine software keys at incredibly cheap prices. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on finding the best deals and tips for all your software needs. See you in the next one.